wrapping up our day at the Magic Kingdom. Wasn't that fun? I only broke one kid's kid, and I found the one that was lost just for a minute, but we found her. It's all good now. And now we're heading over to the big fireworks show. I can't wait to see the kids' faces when those lights explode in the sky. Let's go.
It's just absolutely beautiful here, and I mean, coming so close to Christmas makes the experience even more magical for the kids because they get in the holiday spirit. And I know, look at it, it's beautiful. She loves Elsa. Did you see her again today? Just now? What'd she do to the castle?
Freeze it.
She froze it, you're right. She let it go. She let it go and she froze it. I loved how they incorporated Frozen. Brought tears to my eyes, as I've been doing all day, just crying, but happy tears. So very happy to be here and love the experience tonight.